Now, if you're just joining us, we had an on-time launch at about 1 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by successful ascent, then stage separation. We successfully recovered our first stage, and we've completed 2 second stage burns. And the booster, and actually there's a live shot of the second stage and the IXPE satellite above planet Earth, currently over Africa. Now, the booster that supported the IXPE launch today
acquisition of signal, Melindy,
successfully landed for the 5th time on our drone ship named Just Read the Instructions that was stationed out in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Florida. Reusability is a key part of SpaceX's mission to increasing the access to space, and we also had brand new fairing halves on today's mission. We'll be attempting to recover both of those on a recovery vessel named Bob. That is another great shot of NASA's Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer, or IXPE. This mission is the first satellite that's dedicated to measuring the polarization of X-rays coming from high-energy objects like black holes and supernova. It's the first NASA Launch Services Program mission that's ever been launched from the Launch Pad 39A, a historic launch pad at Cape Canaveral. And it's SpaceX's 5th as part of that program. This program helps launch spacecraft to observe planet Earth, visit other planets, and to explore our universe. Now, the IXPE satellite does mark also Falcon 9's first launch to an equatorial orbit. The satellite is currently in a 0-degree inclination orbit above our equator at about 600 kilometers above the Earth's surface. We're about a minute away from payload deployment. And once we get into payload deployment, the IXPE satellite will then get to proceed with its 2-year mission. Now, IXPE is an orbital observatory. Its job will be to study the laws of nature on astrophysical objects that we can't recreate in labs here on planet Earth. So we'll use the telescopes on IXPE to observe them in parts of our universe. Over the next month, the satellite team will conduct checkouts of the vehicle. They'll extend a boom that holds 3 telescopes on the satellite, and then they'll start observing some of those astrophysical objects. The first one will be a supernova remnant, so the remains of a stellar explosion in the Cassiopeia constellation. It's an object that's about 11,000 light years from planet Earth.
And payload separation confirmed.
So there's confirmation of payload separation. The IXPE satellite floating away from Falcon 9's second stage to begin its 2-year mission to study some of the most energetic objects in the cosmos. And with that, it's going to end our webcast coverage for today. So we want to give a big thanks to NASA for entrusting us with today's mission, SpaceX's 5th NASA science mission to date and the 2nd in the last couple of weeks. We also want to give a big thanks to the Range and the Federal Aviation Administration for supporting today's mission. And of course, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again for the next launch.
Thank you.